Welcome to my YouTube channel Organic and Hydroponic Urban Grow Pro. In today's video, we will see some of the farm updates and how the crops are doing, which we have shown into the April and May months. Last 15 to 20 days there was a heavy rain, and since last 1 and 2 days it is like light rains and we have started our all the activities. So let's watch what is the position of the crop. This is our elephant foot yam. You can see that the plants have grown too big. It is almost like touching 8 to 9 feet now. Now this plant has started growing its second leaf. So elephant foot yam have only two leaf into his whole life, and when the first leaf will die back, and then it will be ready for the harvest. So you can see that there is a second stem coming out, that is a second leaf. Now you can also see that this is first leaf, which is small and getting yellow, and the second leaf has grown with the thick stem and it is big. So it is going to be developed into the big tuber at the bottom. So bigger the plant, bigger the tuber. So same is the case with that plant also. So our elephant foot yam is going to set on the new stem. Now this is the turmeric which we have shown directly the rhizomes. There was lot of weed. Now we are clearing the weed one by one and mulching it. You can see that the weeding work is going on and mulching is going. So there is a lot of weeds in this. So we are going to clean all this manually. These are again the turmeric which we have replanted. This is the pre-germinated method and replanted. These plants are smaller than that directly grown from the tuber. But as this was with the single bud rhizomes, they will grow later into the good plant. We'll see the result later on. This is again the ginger. Ginger also we have grown into the pro tray with the single eye, and ginger is doing good. This is our grape orchard. We had done cutting into the month of April for this foundation pruning. Now we will be pruning for the fruit into the month of September, October. We will update you on that later on. Meanwhile, you can see that all the beds we have prepared with the mulching. This beds we are going to plant a capsicum into this, and you can see that lot of weed is coming out. So we will cut this weed again, mulch it, and sow some cabbage, cauliflower or something on this row of the grape. So this is our poly house, which is now ready as we have planned. In this poly house we are going to grow hydroponic setup and organic setup. So that setup we are going to plan, and I will show you that into the separate video. But right now we are growing some seedling into this for tomato, chili and brinjal. You can see that our sweet lime plant, it is loaded with the fruit. A lot of fruit are there. So these are going to ripe within 8 to 10 days. With some sun out, it will be ripe immediately. This is the field where we have planted some legumes and the sponge gourd and bottle gourd, everything. Now we are removing everything and preparing for the upcoming season. So what we'll do, we'll remove all the mulch which is almost now teared off. So we'll take all the plastic out, we'll re-prepare these beds, and we are going to put tomatoes and chili, capsicum over here. So we'll update you on that. And this is our custard apple and grapes garden. Here we have interplanted this with the watermelon and muskmelon. Now this is over. You can see that all this have died back, and you can see that the plant has grown vigorously. So we are hoping that next time it will be fruiting. Now you can see that our custard apple has started fruiting, as well as it is also developing few flowers. So this fruiting is the early, and there will be a second lot of fruiting also will be going to develop. So this fruit will be taking into September, October, and the later one will be in the November, December. And this is the field where we have prepared for our new plantation. You can see that now we have cleaned this weeds and cultivate it with the mini tiller. Then we will going to reform these beds and start our planting over here. So it will take another 10 to 15 days, and we'll update you when we plant. Now the field is ready.